quick reading or bonus reading for January the 3rd to January the 4th air signs. So we have the Justice card, the High Priestess, and the Tower. So parang eto na, nagsisimula na nga no, umaayos na nga. And supposedly dapat umaayos na. Pero eto na naman ang aga-aga, no, kakapasok pa lang ng taon, boom, may ginawa na namang kakaiba si person. Sabihin natin it's a bit more, sabihin natin mas malala 'no, sa kanyang ginawa in the next, I mean in the past few weeks, months, or probably last year. Pero parang feeling ko, hindi naman ito sinasadya, pero either way kasalanan is kasalanan 'no. Parang, with the tower moment, it seems like the tower moment in here, this was a residue. Chances are meron din itong mati-trigger tayo kasi nakikinig tayo sa mga taong nakapaligid, nakakadagdag yun kasi 'no. So yeah, this is your bonus reading, air signs for January the 3rd to January the 4th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.